Hi, welcome to the Fire Mountain Gems and Beads Jewelry Making Studio. My name is Rose, and today we're talking about Amazonite. I actually call it Amazonite because it began, they believe, in the Amazon. So it's the Amazon stone. But then they found out that even though it was found in the Amazon, it's not. There are no deposits in the Amazon. It's in other places in Brazil and also in the US and Russia, but not really in the Amazon River Basin. But mostly we're here to make these beautiful, simple, and elegant earrings, starting with this great finding using a geometric shape. This is already pre-made and ready to go for you right here at firemountaingems.com. And they come in lots of different stones besides Amazonite. We have other stones as well. And we're going to add to that a Hawaiian chip. This is a largish Amazonite chip with a top drill hole. Simple, elegant, here we go, but with one fancy little tip you're gonna like. Now I have said it repeatedly over and over. When you're using a jump ring, twist it open, don't pull it open. Well, this time, because I'm actually using the jump ring as a bail, I am going to pull it open. It's going to be a little bit easier for me to get it into that hole. I'm gonna pull it and twist it on this Amazonite. And I'll put one leg in. And also that gap in the legs, it is going to be hidden inside of the Amazonite chip. And then any way that's convenient for you, just close up that jump ring. And just get it nice and tight in there so it's not ever going to come out of your Amazonite chip. And there is a triangle jump ring being used as a bail. Oh, you know what? My fingernails work the best for closing that up. There we go. Next step is to attach that to the ear wire. Now here's where the sneaky, tricky part comes in. This time we're going to use the triangle jump ring as a jump ring. So I am going to twist it open properly. But the trick is to put these tiny, itsy-bitsy, little bead stoppery things that are so small they've got static electricity and they're stuck on the end of my finger. So if you can see that, and you got to have some good glasses, there is a hole in the center of that. And we're going to put it on either leg of this triangle jump ring. Now I'm going to be enclosing my fingers around that, so you probably won't be able to see it, but I want you to know what I'm doing when I'm squishing this little white bead. I don't think you can see it. There, I pushed it on. Ooh, that is a little tiny bead. I think I've got seed beads that are bigger than that. Okay, and then I will do the same thing on the other side. Again, I'm hiding the bead inside my grip of my fingers. There we go. I almost pushed the other one off. There we go. Woo, yay me. Okay, I've got those tiny little white beads on either side. And now I can hang my chip and I can put this onto my ear wire and put that onto my ear wire and twist my jump ring closed. And there you have it. A super simple, easy, elegant Amazonite earring. I'm glad you joined me here at the Fire Mountain Gems and Beads Jewelry Making Studio. Happy beading!